Wildlife safari. The adventure.
Tell me more about that African safari you mentioned. How was it to see animals in the wild?
It was absolutely breathtaking, Mary. I was in Kenya, out in the plains of the Masai Mara, where hunting is strictly illegal, and safaris are purely for observation. I managed to see the entire Big Five. I watched a herd of majestic elephants, passing right next to our vehicle, a leopard resting high up in an acacia tree, and huge numbers of zebras and wildebeests. But seeing a lioness hunt up close in her natural element is nothing like watching it on a screen or at a zoo. You can actually feel the tension in the air before she strikes, and the raw power of nature.
Just imagining being out there in the open gives me goosebumps. Do we still have spaces like that in America?
We do. What happened?
John shared his incredible experience about an African safari he took in Kenya's Masai Mara. He explained to Mary that hunting is strictly illegal there, and the trip was entirely for wildlife observation. During his adventure, John managed to spot the complete Big Five, which included watching a herd of majestic elephants walk right next to his vehicle and seeing a leopard resting in an acacia tree. He also saw massive numbers of zebras and wildebeests, but his absolute highlight was witnessing a lioness hunt up close in her natural habitat. Mary was completely fascinated by his story, admitting it gave her goosebumps just imagining it. The conversation ended with Mary asking if America still has wild spaces like that, and John confirmed that they do. Key information: US versus UK. Goosebumps.
Goose pimples, goose flesh.
Safari vehicle.
Jeep, landy.
Grammar tips. Gerunds as nouns. The ing subject.
When you want to talk about an action or an activity, as a general concept, you must turn the verb into a noun by adding ing. This is called a gerund. Gerunds can act as the subject, the main focus, or the complement of a sentence.
Examples. Seeing a lioness hunt is nothing like. Just imagining being out there gives me goosebumps.
Listen and repeat.
Hunting is strictly illegal there. We managed to spot the complete Big Five. Seeing a lioness hunt is incredible. Just imagining being out there gives me goosebumps. Does America still have wild spaces like that?
Check your understanding.
Are you ready? Let's check.
Where did John go on his wildlife safari?
Masai Mara, Kenya.
Is hunting allowed in this reserve?
No, it is strictly illegal.
Did John manage to see the complete Big Five?
Yes, he saw all of them.
What was the absolute highlight of his trip?
Watching a lioness hunt up close.
Please subscribe to the channel, not to miss any tip. Please share it with your friends.